Here is an early Burlington Northern roll-by for your weekend viewing pleasure. On the lead, we have a Great Northern Sky Blue GP9, recently produced by Athearn Genesis, and followed by what I believe is a Proto 2000 Jeep, which we may have relettered. And then another Athearn Genesis F unit, I think it's an F9 number 720, which we also relettered. And then this is the simplified scheme GP9 from Athearn Genesis. Following that, we have a nice long train coming across the Skagit River southbound towards Seattle from Bellingham. And for now, this is Burr Stewart wishing you much fun with trains.